Hi, I'm Phil Layler, Consulting Director at STL Partners. This is a short video that's going to respond to some questions that were asked of us following our study of the impact on 5G on carbon emissions from mobile networks. Now, the question we're going to address is, why focus on energy efficiency? Wouldn't it just be better for operators to get low carbon energy, for example, from renewables? Now, it is important for mobile operators to source their energy from renewable sources, and there's a few ways they can do that. One of the ways is PPAs, power purchasing agreements. These are essentially commitments that the operator makes to buy power from renewable sources at a set price over a set period of time. Now, these agreements are really important for the wind and solar energy industries because they help to underwrite their projects. It secures funding, and it makes these things viable. However, it could be argued that some of these might have happened anyway, and therefore mobile operators are simply displacing the lower carbon energy from the grid the consumer uses through to their networks. So they're not really helping the global solution. The other thing is that when the wind goes down and the sun goes down, you need to continue powering the networks, and therefore you still have to resort to some fossil fuels, in which case it's really important to minimize the energy that is being consumed. Ultimately, you need to do both. You need to make sure that you're using as much renewable power as possible, and you need to do that in a way that minimizes your overall use of energy so that the overall carbon emissions are reduced. And interestingly, the next study we're doing is looking to answer the other question, which is, what is it that the 5G technologies can do to help the renewables to achieve their objectives sooner and therefore reduce the overall carbon footprint of the planet? Well, that was a 2-minute overview in response to that question. There are some other questions that you can go and check out on the site. In the meanwhile, if there's anything else you want to know, particularly about our current research looking into the impact that 5G can do to help the renewables industry, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for listening.